In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a label to Gmail. We will walk through each click slowly so you can follow along without any guesswork. First, open your browser and search for Gmail. Type Gmail into the search bar and press enter. On the results page, look for the official Gmail link from Google, usually near the top. When you click it, a new page will load that either shows the Gmail sign-in screen or your inbox if you are already signed in. Next, log in if you are not already logged in. On the sign-in page, enter your Gmail address, then continue to the password field and type your password. After you sign in, Gmail will load your inbox. You should see your emails in the center, with folders and labels down the left side, and the search bar across the top. If you see those, you are in the right place. From there, scroll down the left-hand navigation menu till you reach Labels. Place your mouse over the list on the left and use the scroll wheel or trackpad. You will pass items like Inbox, Sent, and maybe a More button that expands extra items. Keep going until you see the section where labels are listed, usually showing names like Personal or Work if you already have some. This area is where your new label will appear. Now click the plus icon. The plus icon sits near the Labels section on that same left side panel. It may look small, so move your mouse slowly so you do not miss it. When you click the plus icon, a pop-up box appears in the middle of the screen. This pop-up is where you define the new label. Next, type your desired label name in the pop-up box. Click into the text field and start typing the name you want, for example, bills, clients, or travel. Take a second to pick a name that clearly describes the kind of emails you plan to store there. You can change it later, but having a clear name now makes your inbox feel more organized right away. When you finish typing, leave your cursor there. The pop-up will stay open. After that, you can optionally check Nest Label under to place it inside an existing category. If you tick this box, a drop-down menu appears in the same pop-up. You can choose an existing label from that list. This makes your new label act like a subfolder under a broader label, which is handy if you manage several related topics. If you prefer your new label to stand alone, simply leave this box unchecked and nothing else changes. Finally, click Create. You will find the Create button at the bottom of the pop-up box. Once you click it, the pop-up closes and your new label appears on the left-hand menu, exactly where your other labels are listed. You can now click that label to view emails you move into it in the future. You just created a new Gmail label from scratch, ready to organize your messages in a way that actually makes sense to you. If this helped you tame your inbox a bit, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Gmail tips.